Recipes with healthy food alternatives plus food-grade essential oils is a game changer when it comes to gut health, and this is a great place to start. These delicious pumpkin pie bars are a favorite for fall eating and holiday recipes and are so much more simple than making a healthy pumpkin pie. Healthy is simple. We're going to start by heating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and in blender, we're going to add 1 cup walnuts and blend them until they're nice and crumbly. Then in a mixing bowl, add it with a 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, and a 1/4 cup of butter or spread. You're going to mix this until very, very crumbly. Then we're going to press it into a parchment-lined 8 by 8 inch pan and just press it out with your fingers until it's nice and flat, and then bake it for 12 to 13 minutes. Now let's go back to your blender, and you don't need to wash it. Just add 1 cup of coconut cream, 15-ounce can of canned pumpkin or 2 scant cups of cooked pumpkin, 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup, 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then our secret sauce, 3 drops of cinnamon essential oil, 2 drops of ginger essential oil, and 1 drop clove essential oils. These are all immune boosting and very tasty. Now we're going to blend it until very smooth and then pour it on our baked crust. Then we're going to put it back in the oven and bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. Now you must make sure that when you take it out of the oven that you let it completely cool before moving out onto your counter. Then you're just going to cut it into about 16 bars. I feel like that's about right for this. These are super simple to make. They've got a great texture and the flavor is so awesome. You would never know that these were gluten-free pumpkin pie bars. Healthy is simple. Please ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. As a health and weight loss coach of many years, I help people like you improve gut health naturally by starting with a free health assessment in the description below. So I invite you to take that next step, then give these a try.